Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys this really beginner friendly shake effect on CapCut PC. Go to effects, search for rebound swing. If you can't find it, it's under nightclub, sorry. Add it to your video and put the intensity at a 10, which is like the strength, sorry. Copy and paste it. And then you're going to select your video, go to animation, select fade out, and you're also going to do that for the second video, but just for like half of it. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!